Hi guys, today I want to show you this issue that I realized with the Canon film cameras, which are the more advanced models which comes in later on. Example, the Canon EOS1V. So for this camera, you can see that it works very well. However, if I put on this lens, for example, this is a QBM lens. Let me show you. This is a Rolei lens, and I've adapted it to Canon. However, it does not have a chip, you see. So when I put it on the camera, I'll show you. Okay, and if I fire, see, it gets stuck. And also I realized that the film doesn't whine. Okay, so it's problematic. So I take it out. So like see, like the film doesn't whine and it gets stuck if I put on such an adapter without a microchip. However, if I put on this one, the M42 mount, show you. Then it works, you see. Because it detects that there's a lens in front lah. That's why. So right now I'm gonna modify the lens a little bit. I'm gonna put on the microchip on the adapter itself, so we can see how it works then. So to start it off, because I'm gonna be applying glue, I'll be using glue, and I'm going to glue on a microchip onto the adapter. So I worry that the glue might get on the lens, so I need to take out the adapter just in case. I can also cover the lens to protect it, but since it's not much trouble just to remove the adapter, I'm gonna do that instead. Okay. The microchip that I'm gonna put on, I think it's a 7th generation one. However, now as it's been some time already, I think now the newest one are the 9th generation or 10th generation, something like that. So those will be more advanced. I assume that the difference between them is the accuracy of the AF confirm mode. So yeah, for me, I don't really use the AF confirm, so it doesn't matter much to me. Okay. So we're gonna put the lens one side. So you can see that there's a microchip here on this area. So if you compare them, we need to put the chip around at the same place, so yeah. So this is a ruler that comes with the microchip. So you can see that if you put it on, it should correspond in this manner to the chip. See? You should put on like this, and it should correspond like this, where like every hole is one segment of the microchip. Yeah. Alright, so we would need to install the chip this way. Okay, so the chip will go on like this. Yeah, it should look something like this. Okay. Need to apply some glue. I'm not sure how well it'll go with this thing here. Maybe give it a first try and see how well it works first. This is a Yoo-hoo glue that I bought. Yeah. Okay. So put some glue onto the piece of foil. You can use anything lah, just to apply the thing. Okay. Apply onto the back. Sorry, just now somebody called me, so the video got interrupted. Okay, I tried applying it that way, but I realized that the glue got dried up too fast, so I can't use that method. So now I'm gonna just apply it directly, and then just put it on the thing. More straightforward. Although not more messy lah, but okay lah, see lah. Okay. Let's put it on like this. Okay, let's match it against the ruler, see if it's the same. Seems a bit off. Yeah, this is more like it. So now it matches up, and now we just need to wait for it to dry down. I think it will be probably more secure if I put something beneath here. But I think let's try it out first, see if it actually works. Wait for it to dry. I'm worried that it will come out easily. Looks okay, but I'm still worried. Let's see. We'll close up the glue. We do match up the ruler and see, double check one last time before I leave it to dry. Okay, so it matches up. Seems fine. If I match up to the M42 one, it's slightly different from the M42. I'm not sure if the M42 one is a better fit, but we shall see, I guess. Let's see. So we're gonna wait for it to dry, then later do a test and show you guys. Thanks everyone. Hi guys, so now it's been elapsed for some time and it's pretty much dried, and I realized that one of the screws actually secures the chip onto the adapter nicely. I also noticed that it's possible that the lens is stuck because there's something jutting out behind. I mean, like the back portion of the lens is jutting up from behind. So it can be remedied by always maintaining that the lens is stored at maybe a position of 1 meter. Because if it's stored at infinity, then it has the mirror will hit this thing. That's why it's stuck. Yeah, that's the issue there. That means if you use the Rolei lens on a camera like the EOS1V, you need to ensure that you do not shoot it at infinity. But yeah, let me show you the adapter. I have loaded in some film so that we can see that it actually winds if I shoot it. So put it at 1 or 3 meters. All right. So it fires. It doesn't get stuck. I think it's not because of the chip. It's because the lens is jetting up behind. So the mirror will hit it then. Okay, let's say I put infinity. Then I shoot. I see it gets stuck. When I move it, then it gets unstuck. See? So yeah, the issue is with the lens. I need to shoot not infinity. Or else the alternative is that I need to open up the lens so that it's further away from the camera a little bit, then it's fine. But if I tune it down, then it will hit the mirror. So that's the issue. So if you want to shoot at infinity, you need to take out the lens. Take out the lens, then only you fire. then it's fine. See, if I take out and I do infinity, let me put the infinity. Okay, let's do infinity at 1.8. It's a bit tricky to use that way, but this is what you need to do if you use a third-party lens like that on a camera that's not meant for it. Oh no. So it's not consistent. Okay. Yeah, so you know, be careful, because if it hits the mirror too much, the mirror might come out. So we don't want that to happen lah. So now I'm gonna try taking out the chip, just in case we rule out that we actually need a chip in the first place. Probably we don't need a chip lah. Ayo. Let me see. Gonna take out this screw because it secures the chip in place. Gonna take out the chip this way, gently using a screwdriver, and peel it off with my hand. Oh no! I'll clean this up later. Okay, but let's put it on and make sure that is maybe 1.5. So how come? Oh yeah, so it needs the chip after all. So with the chip you can actually, yeah, you need a chip. If you don't have a chip, you cannot use. If you got a chip, then you can use it. It's a bit odd, but okay. So this proves that you need a chip for it to work with the EOS1V. However, the issue is also because of the blocking. So you need to take this into account as well. Alright, thank you everyone for watching this. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you everyone. Bye, God bless, see you.